Good evening, sir. Table for one?
Yes, just me.
Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Here's the menu. Would you like some water first?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Sure. Have you decided what to order?
I'm thinking about pizza. What do you recommend?
Our cheese pizza is very popular. Would you like it spicy or mild?
Mild, please.
Would you like any extra toppings?
Yes, add mushrooms.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a glass of orange juice.
Small or large?
Small?
Anything else for you?
No, that's all.
Your order will be ready in 15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dialogue 2. Here is your pizza and orange juice, sir.
Thank you.
Would you like any ketchup or sauce?
Yes, a little ketchup, please.
Here you go. Anything else right now?
No, I'm fine.
Is the pizza hot enough?
Yes, it's perfect.
How does it taste?
Very good, fresh and cheesy.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like some dessert later?
Maybe after I finish this.
Sure, take your time. Would you like dessert now?
Yes, I'll have ice cream.
Which flavor?
Chocolate.
Small or large?
Small.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like the bill now?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill.
Thank you for the service.
You're welcome. Please visit again. Dialogue 3. Good afternoon. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Good afternoon. Yes, I found almost everything.
That's great. I'll start scanning your items.
Sure, go ahead.
I see you've got bread milk, vegetables, and some juice. Would you like a bag for these?
Yes, please, one large bag.
All right. Do you prefer paper or plastic?
Paper, please.
No problem. Oh, these apples look fresh. Did you get them from the front display?
Yes, they were on sale, so I picked a few.
Good choice. They're sweet and crisp this week.
That's what I was hoping for.
Do you have our store membership card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. That gave you a discount on the milk.
I love saving money.
Who doesn't? Your total is $22.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment approved. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day and enjoy your groceries.
Thanks, you too.
If you enjoyed these English conversations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English speaking practice.